My name is Sistine and Selamat sejahtera. My name is Sistine and today I'm going to teach you how to do the audible gasps in anime. You know the audible gasp, the yeah, that kind of audible gasp. It's very simple to do. Really simple. The first thing that you need to do is you need to learn how to exhale and inhale properly. So what you need to do is that you need to exhale first. Exhale first. This is your mouth. I'm just gonna go ahead and draw a mouth. So the first step is to exhale and then inhale. This is the second step. Now of course, it's going to take a lot of practice to do this. Some of you might be able to do it, indefinitely, like really quickly. So what you need to do is just exhale and then inhale. Now, immediately you'll be able to notice that you can do the small audible gasps. Okay, so like the small one. Look at that. The just exhale and inhale. And then what you need to do, you can just go ahead and this is like the basics of it. So from that type of basics, you can create as many noises as you want it to. For example, maybe I am an anime character who was surprised by seeing my enemy much more stronger than me. So I can use the surprise expression to, kind of emphasize that, oh my god, this guy is actually much more stronger than me. How, like, wow, he's super strong. I cannot beat him. That is, so the is strong and the is weak. Yeah, there we go. Strong and weak. So it creates the emotions of, okay, this guy's stronger than me. You can also make it weak and weak. The first exhale is weak and the inhale is weak. So maybe so this one is weak and weak, like 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 that kind of audible gasp. It kind of gives you the emotions of, okay, there is an enemy trying to sneak up behind me. Okay, what is it? 1, 2, oh, 5 person. Oh, okay, there's 5 ninja behind me, something like that. Weak and weak. You can also add the emotions of, you can also, instead of doing it 1 and 2, you can also do it like this. Let me show you. You can also do it 1, 2, 3, 4, which is 1, 2, exhale, 1, 2, exhale, and then third one is inhale. So it kind of gives you the emotions of sadness or madness. Yeah. So okay, so this is 1, 2, ST, and then 3, ST. So this is the exhale, the inhale. So what you're going to get, like, the emotions of why did you do this? What happened? And then maybe, for example, an enemy character seeing the enemy stabbing his friend, and he was like shocked and surprised, like my friend, or somewhere along the line of like that. So yeah, that's basically it. Just exhale and inhale, and exhale weak, inhale strong, doesn't matter. There's a lot of combinations that you can do, as long as it produces the it follow correctly along with the line of the story. That's it. That's how you audible gasp in like the anime.